So I think that the very much first thing of this thing is that I think it's simple. So I mean it's irrelevant for myself to actually talk about that thing of like it being a simple thing, but let's get straight up into the thing that we are actually truly actually talking about right over here is that I do know that the end result is like basically 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3, but at the very get go right is that he only give me like 1 2 3. So um I mean like fundamentally if we were actually to look at this problem statement itself right, it's super easy. It's like so easy, you know. We just want to duplicate this whole 1 2 3 right by 2x. So I think that the moment that we actually and see this thing right is that the very first intuition follow without a doubt is that you come in to actually just do a follow, and there's like the very much special function that you can actually just put it onto like 2x, you know, just but the thing is that you got to put in I in you got to put it in range. Yeah, that's the thing that I'm actually wanting to talk about, is that if we want to actually basically do 2x, we just do a for loop, a very simple for loop for this I, and then we can actually get our results that we want to actually have. And this is like the fundamental piece that we actually truly establish the moment we see 2x. So when we go into this loop right, we want to take is that the first value, second value, and then the third value, which you can see over here. So the thing is this, that you got to go into another for loop. So with this, you go for and then see int the variable itself, which is usually called, for this very case is called nums, right? So you reiterate and then you go plus inside your the blank statement that you actually established from the very get-go, which is like, you know, just set it up, you know, establish it, calling it my list, you know, my list per se. So this my list, you do plus equal for each variable that actually enter into the loop itself. So this my list, you know, we do a plus equals, right, for the every variable that it actually goes in, which is C itself, right? And then you do it 2 times. So come into the value, the plus equals to C, this being plus equals to the list itself, the empty list itself. You get the first loop for the first time that you actually enter in is like do a 1 2 3, and then you do a second time loop, which is the 1 2 3 itself, and then you get the final output, which is the 1 2 3 itself. So you know, there you have it. I mean, to conclude is that you want to 2x this thing and then get a 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then you get a final result of this, and then you want to actually return my list, and there you have it. This problem is solved.